Hello all, it's been a while since I made a video, but when I was talking to people, there's always, you know, people talk about how they get charged on their credit card for things that they ordered or a subscription that they canceled and they continue to get charged for it. This happens to a lot of elderly people that I've talked to also. So this is something cool that I found out. So my son broke his strap for his Oculus Quest 2. So I need to order a new one. And so I had shut down Amazon, and that was crazy trying to go through that to cancel my Amazon subscription. But now I'm going to restart it. But I want to show you this neat feature. I use Capital One. It may work with other credit cards, but it definitely works with Capital One. I use it for everything now. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into my Capital One. So I'm going to go right here, and this is on every Capital One card, regardless of which kind you have. I'm going to click this I want to, and I'm going to come right here to where it says Manage Virtual Cards. And what this is basically it's a disposable card. So you can use this card one time, or you can use this card for like a particular bill, say like your electric bill, you only want to use it. So I'm gonna come right up here and click on this Create Virtual Card. And it brings up this screen here. So I can enter it. So like this will be for Amazon membership. And I can click single use. If you click this, it will be used one time and you can never use that card again. So it's still going to show up on your normal Capital One card, but it's going to give you a virtual number that you can use and you only use it once. Or you could do a scheduled date. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Well, if I click the single use, that's it. It'll give me a card number, one-time use. Scheduled date, I'm going to go ahead and click that. And today is June 24th, so I'm going to go ahead and say after June 27th, this card can never be used again. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because I plan on canceling this Amazon membership after a year for a few months. I'm going to use it up till December once Christmas is over. We don't really order much in January, February. And since Amazon up there, they keep upping the price of their membership, it gives me too much free that since we're not using it anyway. So in 2 days here, it's going to, on June 27th, no one else can ever use this card again. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create Virtual Card, and it gives me the virtual card number. If I hit this View Virtual Card Number, it'll show the whole card number with the expiration date and the security code. So I would just go ahead, sign in, create the Amazon account, enter this card number, and the Amazon account will be open. And next year, even if I don't cancel it, it can't charge me again. So it'll never be used again. And it'll show you a whole list of all the cards you made. And if they're a one-time use card, you can just delete it. If you have reoccurring stuff on, you can name it and you'll see what card number is being used for that. This is awesome. I use it for everything. Anything online now, anytime you want to order, if you're ordering a prescription, you're ordering, off of something, anything, you're going traveling. I just booked a whole hotel on a one-time card. After that, as soon as we check out, that card won't be used anymore. For whatever you need, this is a way, especially these subscriptions to like, Netflix, Hulu, you can create one. I have one for each of those. I don't even have to call and cancel those. I could just delete the card. So this is one way. It's very, very, very useful, and it will save you a lot of pain and headache.